I got everything right here. And sorry if you have to go shopping after this. Hey there, Mama Strong. My name is Michou, and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing, or I'm going to be showing you my favorite makeup from Shop Miss A. And these are, in particular, these are the Charity line and the AoA Studio line. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to brushes. Actually, I did a new discovery today, which I'm so excited about. So I've, like always, I'm gonna just show you my favorites. I have a lot of brushes from them because I bought like a whole set, but I'm just gonna show you my favorites. So these 4 are my favorites right now. This is a big stippling brush, so if you went a little bit heavy on like say your blush or your bronzer or things like that, this will actually really help you, like, you know, buff things up, because it's a big stippling brush. This is the high definition brush F6 USA. It's really, really good. I love it a lot. Next is this stippling brush. I love stippling brush, you guys. Let me just apply a little bit of blush. I feel like this side don't really have much, so I'm just gonna as you can see, like that, like even though this blush is really like pigmented, it doesn't pick up too much, which is good, especially for beginners. If you are trying to like learn to put makeup on, but you have a little bit of heavy hand, like this type of brush is really, really good for you. So this is the high definition brush E106 USA stippling brush. Next is this. Oh my gosh, you guys, so I did a discovery this morning while I did this makeup, and yeah, I discovered this. It was just fresh from the cover still, and I just opened it. I was gonna sell it, but you know what, I just wanted to try it, and good thing I did. It's like the perfect brush for like your contour and your blush. It's also perfect for your jawline. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. It's such a good brush. This is the, let me tell you what it is, right? This is the high definition brush F9 USA. As you can see how it is like that, it's so good. It's so good. Like I said, these are part of a set, but you can actually purchase these ones one by one on the site as well. I think it's $2 something. And then last but not least, this is the eye brush. This is the only eye brush I like from them. Well, I mean, I like all of the eye brush, but I feel like it's not really useful. Like, I do need a blending brush, for example, right? And then the set that I bought did not come with a blending brush. So anyways, this is the high definition E108 USA. I like this because it's pointed, so you can actually use it for your concealer under your eyes. You can use it to reach this side of your eyes. You can, you know what I mean, like it's very useful. You can even use it to like make a precision under your eyes, you know what I mean. So it's, I like it, but I need something thinner, maybe like for under the brows, and this set just didn't come with that. So yeah, it's just a little bit disappointing. Anyways, next thing, this is part of my recent haul also. This is the AoA Studio Go Brow Mascara. I love this, you guys. It's okay, so this is what I just used today. I didn't use anything else, just this. And I mean, it keeps your brows in place pretty much. That's like, it's almost like your brow soap brow or whatever you call them, but I like this better because it's in a brush form, and well, I know that it doesn't have any soap, or it's not gonna go inside my eyes. So that's why I like this. Maybe those soap brows are made from wax, or are they like real soap? I don't know. But anyways, I like this. It's one of their newest invention or newest line that came out or whatever. I really like it. I'm sorry if I'm touching my hair a lot. I just fixed it and it's just not good. Anyways, so yeah, this one is so good, you guys. Like, I love it. I love it. This is, it goes on clear, if I didn't mention that yet, and that's the reason why I really like it. Go get it. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. Next product is actually the Glow Baby liquid highlighter. They have like a trio of this, but I just got one. This is the Golden Dream. I love this. Okay, let me see if I can just give you a little bit of snippets. So if you ever like try to like use this first, you can use this on its own, but if you have like oily skin, I suggest you put any liquid that you put on your face, you put something powder on top so it doesn't move around. But you see how it is. So if you use that and then you use the velour highlighter on top of it, ooh, Nelly, you're gonna have like a beaming sunlight on your face. I feel like you can also use this type of thing like as on your body, like you're, I don't know, you're glowing from within. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. The next thing, I guess the next couple things, and then we should be good. Okay, so the next thing is actually my my black. It goes black. So this is the Super Strip Lash Adhesive. This is AoA Super Strip Lash Adhesive. This is part of the Charity line, the A+ Charity line. And like I said, this is the black one. I love this. This is what I used today. This is what I've been using for every time I put on my lashes. If I don't use my duo, this is what I've been using, and I really like it. I feel like it's about to dry up on me though, but hopefully not. But I really like this. If you ever want to buy anything from AoA Studio, get this. It does not bother your eyes. If you have sensitive eyes like I do, get this. If duo goes well for you, get this because it also go good for you. I guess last but not least is the Faux mink lashes. The one I'm wearing today is actually the Nora. I feel like I did cut this side a little bit too short, so it's not the same. This length is the perfect size that I like. This one is a little bit too short, so I don't know if you noticed, but yeah, this one is a little short. So I just tried to make my inner lash a little bit more visible so that they match, but I don't know if you can tell. I don't know. Anyway, so that's Nora, and then the next one is Carlene. Look how full Carlene is. So I don't remember if I ever tried this. I don't think I ever tried this, but if we're doing like a dramatic lash, or we're doing a date night, you know, makeup that you need to just wear like, I don't know, red lips maybe, and then we'll just wear this, then yeah, let me know if you want that. So yeah, we can do like a AoA version of the date night makeup that I did before if you want that, Mama Strong. Anyways, before everything falls from the table, I just wanted to thank you for watching today's video. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you do like it. It will help my video a lot to rank on YouTube so that, you know, more people will see it. That's how you help me, and I'll thank you so much if you do that. And also don't forget to comment below any question, any request you want. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday Hawaii time, 8 a.m. Hawaii time. So yeah, just check it out. Hawaii time, that never changes, so it's always gonna be 8 a.m. I will do more I also will do more what do you call those, more live stream videos soon. So yeah, I'll announce it on my community tab and social media so that you'll be able to talk to me directly in person. I really like to talk to you guys. And last but not least, thank you so much for your support and for your feedback from Mama Strong, the trailer of Mama Strong that my husband shot and edited, and also the first episode of Mama Strong. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me, and I'm so happy that you received it well. So yeah, Mama Strong will happen once a month, every single month, once a month. It's gonna be a get ready with me where I'll talk to you or where I share your story. Anyways, thank you so much for watching Mama Strong, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.